G'day all, welcome back to Frostbite's G.I. Joe Repro. It's this day, Paldean Fates Day. Scarlet and Violet Paldean Fates Day. I had to take a bit of time away from work this morning to go to my local Toy Mate and pick this up. Here in Australia, these are rocking for usual price of around the $90 mark. Was no rush at all this morning at Toy Mate to pick this up, so I was glad I was actually the first person there, and for a couple of minutes the only person there. So I was lucky. I just was comfortable, just went and picked it up and we were done. Okay, so it's a great looking Paldean Fates box. It's the ETB, the Elite Trainer box. We all know it, we've seen it heaps of times. That's the contents. So the important thing here is the 9 packs of Paldean Fates, the full art promo card of Mimikyu, which looks cool. Pretty excited about that. That's pretty much it. Everything else is just the normal stuff. So let's crack in. I hope your day's going well. Really appreciate you joining in. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you're not currently subscribed to my channel, please hit the sub button. Okay. So you get this player's guide. Just the standard stuff. Oh, that's cool. I don't think I've ever noticed that before. I don't really read these, but yeah, there's the showing you the full list of cards for this set. Yeah. Cool. Okay. This is looks great. That's what you get inside. It's a nice looking dice. EX. Sweet. Separator out. It's the dividers for the storage case. Oh. That's our backs, protective backs. It's our Pokemon game. There's our card. It's a nice looking card. Really nice. And the important part, oh, hang on, what's here? That's our counters. The important part is our packs. Okay. Let's get this done. On release day, Scarlet and Violet Paldean Fates, first pack out of 9. Oh, that was weird. Where's cutting it for some reason? Very weird. Okay. Okay, so nothing too exciting there. Just got collector up so that I can see what the important cards are. We're looking at a Charizard EX, pretty much the same from the Obsidian set. Mew. Okay, here we go. Nice looking Pidgey. Nope. All right. Pack number 3. Okay, pack number 4. These packs seem to open a lot easier than previous packs. So far, very underwhelming. Clodsire. And a full art Palafin. It's the best that I've gotten so far in the one pack. Mimikyu. Okay. 3 packs to go. Two packs to go. So far, very, very underwhelming. It's worth noting as well that the Toy Mart I went to this morning only had the 3-pack and the ETBs. Obviously, the boosters must be getting released at a later time. Okay, continues on underwhelming. 1 pack left. Last pack. Can you give me something better than a big whale? A shiny big whale. I think I'm getting a lot of the same cards. No, that's it. Mate. So bad. Those are the 2 best cards I got. out of 9 packs. This is the first ETB that I've bought and reviewed, and I can honestly say I won't be rushing back to get another one. But anyway, thanks very much for watching. As I said, if you enjoyed the video today, please leave a like. If you're not currently subbed to my account, please sub. Keeps me motivated, keep giving you content. Hit the notifications bell, let you know when my future videos are released. What did you think about this, the Paldean Fates ETB? Did you think it was good? Is that normal just to get 2 good cards out of that? Leave some comments, let me know what you think. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.